The Enjaro Tales, Tales of the Soul.
The town of Rangpur buzzed with excitement as Holi approached. Children ran through the dusty streets, their hands clutching packets of vibrant powders, pink, blue, yellow, and green. The scent of freshly made sweets filled the air, and traditional drums echoed through the village. Among the eager children were Prisha, a lively girl with braided hair and a bright smile, and her best friend, Karan, a quiet but warm-hearted boy with wavy hair and deep brown eyes. Though Karan came from a different background, he had always loved Holi, celebrating it with Prisha and their friends. But this year, something was different. Prisha noticed Karan had been avoiding conversations about Holi. When she finally confronted him, he hesitated before speaking. "Some people told me that Holi isn't for me, that I don't belong," he muttered, his voice barely above a whisper. Prisha's heart sunk. "Who said that?" "That's not true, Karan. Holi is for everyone." Karan only shook his head. "I don't want to cause any trouble. Maybe it's best if I stay home this year." Determined to prove otherwise, Prisha gathered her closest friends, including Tanya, a cheerful girl with curly hair tied in colorful beads. They devised a plan to remind Karan of what Holi truly meant. On the morning of Holi, instead of running to the festival, Prisha, Tanya, and their friends stood outside Karan's house. They held packets of colors but didn't throw them. Instead, Prisha called out, "Holi isn't just about colors, it's about friendship and love. You are a part of our family, Karan." One by one, the children dipped their hands in bright colors and pressed them onto Karan's door. Pink, yellow, blue, green, the colors of unity. The once plain wooden door became a beautiful mosaic of handprints, each telling Karan that he belonged. From inside, Karan peeked out. His heart pounded as he saw the display of love and acceptance. For a moment, he hesitated, but then, a smile formed on his face. Slowly, he stepped outside, picking up a handful of color. With a laugh, he tossed it toward Prisha, splattering bright blue powder across her face. Gasps turned into laughter. Tanya joined in, flinging a fistful of pink into the air. Soon, the entire group was caught in a whirlwind of color and joy. Karan had never felt so accepted, so free. As the sun set, the streets of Rangpur were covered in the remnants of the most beautiful Holi the town had ever seen. People who had once held back smiled as they watched the children play together, realizing that Holi was never about differences, it was about unity. From that day on, no one in Rangpur ever felt left out on Holi again. The festival became a true celebration of love, friendship, and the power of inclusion. Moral: Holi is not just about colors but about spreading joy and including everyone. Subscribe to Enjaro Tales and share the magic. Join us in celebrating Holi with a heartwarming tale of friendship and inclusion. Don't miss out, like, comment, and spread the colors of Enjaro Tales.